After you signing in to your TurboTax account under turbotax.intuit.com, you want to look at the left side of your screen and click right here on Tax Tools button. After that, click on this Print Center button, which will open up this page. Then click on this Print, Save or Preview this year's return button. Keep in mind that you need to pay first or register to view your return. You may click on Pay Now button if you haven't paid before, and follow the following instructions. After you did the payment, this window will appear. You may choose the return that you want to be preview at the moment. The second way to preview your taxes before filing, from this window, you want to click on Tax Tools button again. But this time, click on the Tools button instead Print Center. This window then will pop up and tap the View Tax Summary button. On here, it will show you the overview of your federal taxes, and then to view your 1040, you may click on Preview My 1040 button, which will show you your federal 1040. You may scroll down to do double check, and then, if you want to view your state tax summary, you may click on the Your State Tax Summary button below the federals. And there you go. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.